Just like everyone, so today I'm going to explore Hanoi City on this bus. So this is my first experience on this bus, and this bus called sightseeing bus, and also it called hop on and hop off bus because you can hop up. I mean you can get off any places you want to explore, and also you can hop on, you can get on. Every 30 minutes later this bus will come same place. So basically this bus will stop in 13 different sites, so it's your own choice. Within 4 hours you can get off and you can explore that place, and you can wait for this bus for 20 minutes and this bus will come again, and you can get on again. So here we are. Right now we are starting from Kim Lake. On this bus they also provided audio tour commentary which has 8 languages, so you can choose whatever you are comfortable. And whenever we reach each place they explain very well in that language. Flag so tower in Hanoi. That's the benefit also. So this is also very important place, but I forgot name because I was enjoying the site, and I also forgot to listen their commentary, so I was just enjoying the ride. This place has 4 direction, has 4 temple, but I cannot see this have. But here you can see beautiful lake. Both sides have lake. So this is the most famous Vietnamese cap. This is also provided by bus to protect sun, even though today there is no sun and it was quite cold, but I was wearing just to take a picture. Here you can see one pagoda. So here we stopped at a Buddhist temple. This is the oldest Buddhist temple in Hanoi, West Lake. So it was built in 6th century by Emperor Le Nam De. Even though Hanoi has many Buddhist temples, but most of they are built in 17th century. But this pagoda, this temple, it called Tan Quoc Pagoda. This was built in 6th century, so this is the oldest one. So this is the main temple, and here you can see many visitors. Inside this temple has some statues and local god and some ashes for monks. And monks used to live here for centuries, and they used to teach Buddhism to people. And yeah, this is the main temple, and front of this temple has one big Bodhi tree, and that Bodhi tree was gifted by Indian President Rajendra Prasad in 1959. So that was the really quite surprising. Right now that Bodhi tree is huge, and people do worship and do prayers. So this is next to here have very famous pagoda. Next to this has this beautiful shops. Here have one pagoda, and here they're traditional, I guess. Oh, this is tea shop. Wow. It looks like Tangsi Lama. They are crossing road. So now we stopped at Temple of Literature, and this is the main entrance, and here you can see so many tourists, and here also a lake. Inside that temple has a lake, and many foreigners are there. And this temple is not only temple, this is also Vietnam's first university, constructed in 9th century by Emperor Li Tengtong. So basically he wanted to worship his Chinese philosopher Confucius. So that's why he built this temple. But later this temple became a university. So over the 700 years, this temple was open for education, and so many scholars study here. So right now this is their main temple. So local people often visit to this temple to worship their local god, and also students before their exam they visit here to worship, because they believe that if they worship here they will get good marks. Yes, so that's it. So we are leaving toward our center, and thank you so much for watching this short vlog. See you in next vlog. Wow, now flower blooms.